we have drawn the bar graph is done. Now here you have to write the scale. So children, I am taking a bigger bar graph. Okay. So here I have taken the scale. Here what? 10 plants at what distance? 2 centimeter, right? That means 1 centimeter is how many plants? 5 plants. So you have to write the scale here. What is it? 1 centimeter, 5 plants. Scale on y-axis is 1 centimeter, 5 plants. Okay. Then you will get the graph here. Now in the textbook they have used the scale 1 centimeter is 10 plants. Okay. And they have told, and that bar graph will look like this. Okay. Both the graphs show the same data, but the scale is different. And here down here they have asked for the same example, draw a bar graph at a taking a different scale, that is 1 centimeter, 5 plants. So that is what I have drawn here. So what can you have to compare both. Comparing, what will it be? This, in this the bars are bigger, and in this the bars are smaller. So what will happen if the scale is different? The size of the bars will also change. Okay. So that is what you have to say. What? Comparing. By comparing you can know that as the size of the bars will change with the scale which has been used. Okay. And while drawing the graph, you have to, every bar in the graph has to be at equal distance. The distance between any two adjacent bars should be equal. All bars should be of appropriate height. Okay. That means this width, this has to be equal. Okay. And the distance between them also has to be equal. See, I have taken this 2 centimeter from here. Same distance between each bars, it is 2 centimeter. And here these bars, they are having a width. This is width of 1 centimeter. Each of the bar is having a width of 1 centimeter. One is not thicker and one is not wider and one is narrow, like that. No. Equal width. One is not greater, having a bigger width. You can't draw it like that. All the bars should have same width and they should be at same distance. The distance between two nearby bars should be same. Okay. Now let us go to practice set 19. The first question is, the names of head of some family in a village and the quantity of drinking water their family consume in one day are given. Draw a bar graph for this data. And the scale is given on y-axis. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 liter of water. So you will draw a bar graph. Okay. I have drawn, what is this? This is x-axis. You will draw the x-axis and the perpendicular line will be the y-axis, and this will be O. Now you have to write the heading. I have written it, names of head of family. Okay. And water consumed. Okay. That is the heading I have written here. You will write it here on the top of your page. Means here in this position. Okay. In your graph book. Next, what you have to do, in x-axis you are going to show the head of the family, names of head of the family. First one, I am leaving this much distance. Okay. In the y-axis, this much 2 centimeter I am leaving. And what is the first name? Take your textbook and see. Okay. When I am saying it, you also go through it. What is the first name? You also open your book, textbook, page 38. First question, practice set 19. Ramesh. Okay. So right here, Ramesh. Here I have taken 2 centimeter. Leave 2 centimeter here also. Then what is the next? And this is 1 centimeter. Okay, the width of the bars. And what is the next name? Shobha. Okay. Then leave 2 centimeter. Then Next name, Ayub. Next, Julie. Then next, Rahul. Then here, over here, you have to show what liter of water used. And they have given what is the scale? 1 centimeter is 10 liter. So which is 1 centimeter? This one, right? So this will be 10. Next 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. We can stop here. Okay. There is lot of space in my book. My book is bigger one now. That is why. Okay. If your book is smaller, after this you can your heading can be here. Okay. Usually graph books are of this size, so you will write the heading over here. Okay. If you want, you can write the scale till here. Okay. This is also fine. Here it will be what? If I write it fully, 110, 120, 130, go on, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200, 210. Okay. Next, what will you do? For each one, see, for Ramesh, what is the data given? 30. So, where is 30? This is 30. Okay. So, here I will draw a line. Draw it straight. Okay. Like this. Neatly. Yeah. Next one. I have left 2 centimeter. Next one. Shobha. It is given 60. Where is 60? The 60 is over here. Then Ayub. Ayub is 40. There is 40. This is 40. And next one, Julie. Julie is at 50. This is 50. Okay, see. 50. I will keep the scale like this. Here. Next one. Rahul. Rahul, the data given is 55. So 55 means what will you do? This is 50 and this is 60. So 55 will be the right middle of it. Okay. Means after this, this one. Between 50 and 60 you can see a middle point here, no? It is. There will be 10 points here between 10 blocks. After 5 blocks, the fifth block will be this. So that will be 55. Okay. From there, keep the scale there. Go straight to the side. Here. This will be for who? Rahul's. So this bar graph is done. You have to write the scale also here. Okay. So after doing the bar graph, what will you do? Last you will write scale on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 liter of water. Okay. So with this, the first question of practice set 19 is done. You will take some time, okay, to do each bar graphs. So this is the first question. Now let us go to the second one.